Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Caribbean Cement Company has reported revenue of $27.9 billion for 2024, marking a modest 0.7% increase over the previous year. The company says growth was driven by strategic cost-saving measures and recovery efforts following Hurricane Beryl. The company's net operating earnings before expenses stood at $8.6 billion, while operating earnings after expenses rose to $7.6 billion. That's an increase of $200 million compared to 2023. A notable highlight for the year was the company's strong cash flow, with $12 billion generated from operating activities, up significantly from $7.5 billion in 2023. This performance allowed the company to fully repay its long-term debts, placing it in a stronger financial position moving forward. The Development Bank of Jamaica (TVJ) says more entrepreneurs are taking up financing opportunities to expand their businesses. The update came from Christopher Brown, project manager of the TVJ's Boosting Innovation, Growth and Entrepreneurship Ecosystem Biggie program. The 5-year project, valued at $25 million, has been promoting growth among startups as well as micro, small and medium-sized enterprises.
$22 million. And this is an investment from the government of Jamaica into entrepreneurship, with the intention of, for years to come, that we have a thriving entrepreneurship landscape.
He explained how the money was spent.
So we've put about $7 million directly into businesses, financing their innovations, improving their productivity and processes. We've put money into the institutions that serve our entrepreneurs, our business service intermediaries, your incubators, your accelerators, your BDOs. We've funded research centers at the respective universities to help them to convert research into commercial value. I think for too long, we have the universities having research papers sitting on shelves, but no money is actually being generated from that. We're investing in helping them to move on to the next level of that. And we have invested $7 million into the creation of 2 new financing options for entrepreneurs: a venture capital fund, which is actually now a pool of $15.5 million, and what we call an angel fund, which has $2 million to invest alongside angel investors in entrepreneurs.
To the stock market now, the JSE index declined by 1,351 points today, while the junior market index declined by 20 points. The winners were Epley Limited 7.25% preference shares, KLE Group Limited, AS Bryden and Sons Holdings, Dolphin Cove Limited and Mayberry Group Limited. The losers included 138 Student Living Jamaica Limited variable preference shares, Express Catering, Cygnus Credit Investments 8% preference shares, AMG Packaging and Paper Company, and Limnas and Bards. 25 stocks traded firm. Foreign exchange trading ended with banks and cambios selling the US dollar for an average $159.73. The Canadian dollar is being sold for an average $115.46. The pound is going for $212.22, while the euro is selling for an average $183.12. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.